10-17, back off in the building. Throwing up money like we mad at the ceiling. Stock 'em up, rock 'em up, turn my belt on my throat. Ratchet up and get it back, bitch, they do that shit some more. Jury game hysterical, my nigga look like the Mardi Gras. Woke up in the morning, said fuck it.
Hey, what's up, world? This is your boy, I was shutting down Shakedown Gaming. This is the Vizio TV. It has the buttons on the side right here, and then it has the headphone jack right there, and then the TV, the HDMI, the other cables. Yeah, and Walmart. That's just about it. Yeah. So, yeah. Let me go this is cool. I ain't trying to see. I'm really just looking at this huge TV right here. Yeah. Hey, what's up, world? This your boy. I'll shut you down for Shakedown Gaming. Air conditioner vent. Hey, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, what's up, world? Got my HD TV. No, my LCD HD TV. Yeah. I don't know if I'm supposed to say LCD HD. I don't know. But it's a Philips 22-inch, eco-friendly, a whole bunch of specs or whatever. Don't really care about that. Let's just get this baby open. Like I said, today is Thursday. I said I was going to get it, and I got it. So, yeah. And like I said, I'm not normal, so I use pins. We don't use no scissors around here. I should. Screw it. I'm going to have to use scissors. Alright, got the scissors. I would have had it on the tripod, but I was so happy and so ready. I actually got it a little, like, an hour ago. Just came from Walmart about an hour ago. But I had to check on some stuff, some problems going on with my account. My bank account, not my 360 account. So, yeah, here it is right here. We're gonna have to get the remote. For some reason, I don't like LCD remotes. They're freaking gay, I swear. So I might have to put this on the tripod. Dang it. Like that. There we go. Like that. Here's some screws. I don't know what it's for. I was about to just throw it away because it didn't seem like it was anything. Here's batteries. There's a certain way I'm supposed to take it out, but I don't know how to do it, so that's what I say. Screw it! Here's the TV, baby. It feels so good. Yeah. So we're just gonna sit it there for a second. Get everything else out. Like the manual. Oh, that's what it's for the stand. Yeah, it's for the stand. That's what it's for. The stand, and I'm gonna use the stand because I'm not putting it on my wall. It's too small to be putting holes in the wall for. Alright, so I got everything set up. There's my new game set up right there. My HD TV, Xbox headset, phone, all that other stuff. And, oh, my speaker. I don't know, I guess I might leave it down there. Leave it down there. HD PVR, computer, all that still. Alright, so here's the gameplay. Bow! This is where I'll shut you down, Shakedown Gaming. Peace.
Friendly Harriers inbound. Enemy UAV spotted. Care package on the way.
Враг убит! Цель уничтожена! Обойму! Магазин! Бросаю станцию!
Friendly Harriers inbound.